My dear friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Gauru Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of CSC. In today's session, we will discuss about the Markov decision process in artificial intelligence. Okay, now let us start with the what is the meaning of Markov decision process. Actually, it is a mathematical framework for modeling sequential decision problems under uncertainty as well as reinforcement learning problems. Yes, so far we have covered a lot of problem solving techniques available in the artificial intelligence, like informed searching algorithms, uninformed searching algorithms, heuristic functions, stochastic searching algorithms. But here only the difference is here the Markov specifies the reward for who won the game. Okay, that is only the difference. Maximum, all the remaining process is same for here also. Okay, so actually is this is a discrete time stochastic control process. What is the meaning of stochastic? What are the examples of stochastic searching algorithms? Like dice. Okay, whose games are depending on the luck. Okay, so those games are related to the stochastic games. Actually, um, Markov decision process is the best approach we have so far to model the complex environment for the artificial intelligent agents. Here we have several states. Already we know how to consider the present state and present input symbol, how to find out the next state. Already we have discussed at the time of automata theory and formal languages. Here also same process we are applied. Here also we will consider one state and one action. With the help of that state and action we will find out the next state. Okay, so here we will consider the sequence of states depending on the problem. So here the agent takes the actions and moves from one state to another. Okay, now we will learn the mathematics to determine which action the agent must take in any given situation. Okay, that's why here the Markov decision process is a collection of 5 tuple S, M, A, R, P. Here S stands for the states. Here we have sequence of states are available. M stands for the model, A stands for the action, R is the reward. Here the special achievement in the Markov decision process is the reward. So that reward, here the reward, the agent expects to receive in the which state. Okay, so here finally policy. Here the policy means the solution of the Markov decision process. Now let us see what is the meaning of state, what is the meaning of model, what is the meaning of action, reward, policy. Okay, so actually this is a 5 components set of possible states, models, actions and reward, finally policy. So here the states are represented with the help of capital S. The model here, how the transition model is depending on the state actions and produce the solution. So that's why here T of S comma A comma S dash. Here S is the state, A is the action, S dash is the next state. Okay, so here the next state is dependent on the present state and action. So here we will find out at each and every step we will find out what is the probability for getting the solution. That's why therefore here we will mention the probability of S dash. Okay, so here the probability of S dash means what is the probability for to get the goal. Okay, so that is dependent on the state and action. Okay, so here what are the actions here? The actions are indicated by capital A or A of S. A means simply the action, so A of S means the action is dependent on the particular state. Here rewards, what is the meaning of R of S? R of S comma A, R of S comma A comma S dash, we will see. Okay, here the policy means simply the solution, that is indicated by the phi. So we will discuss what is the meaning of phi of S implies A, phi star. Okay, so now let us start with the meaning of state. Here the state is represented by capital S. The problem is that we don't live on a perfect deterministic world so far. Okay, so far actions could have different outcomes. Okay, definitely here we will find out the solution. um, Here we will reach to the our expected goal only. Okay, for that point of view, at each and every step we will find out the probability. So now here I will mention two different types of worlds: deterministic grid world and stochastic grid world. Coming to the deterministic grid world, here the upper part determines uh, please observe here, the fire is available and the agent is available. Suppose the agent moves to the left side, definitely it will be fired. So that's why here the options is either move to the upside or right side. Those are the very good manner process. Okay, so that's why here I will the agent move to the upside. Okay, so suppose we will move to the right side, stochastic grid world. Here what is the meaning of stochastic? Randomly it selects the answer. Okay, so it totally depend on the luck. So definitely here we have two or three options. What are the three options? So here that means in the stochastic grid world, the agent move to the left side or upside or right side. Okay, that's why here I will divide the three parts. So suppose the agent moves to the left side, then it will be fired. The agent move to the upside, it will be safe. And the agent move to the right side, also it is the safe. Okay, this is the process. Here each and every cell is represented by the state. Okay, so here with the help of state, with the help of action, here the action means either move to the left side or right side or upside. That is the meaning of actions. Okay, so now we will see what is the meaning of model. Actually at the time of please observe this diagram. So here the model t of s comma a comma s dash. So that's why the model, what is the meaning of t s a s dash? Okay, here t is the transition model. It takes the current state and current action and it produces the s dash. Maybe s and s dash are the same here. Okay, for the stochastic accents, what is the meaning of stochastic? Either noisy or non-deterministic. We also define the probability here. Okay, what is the probability for getting the solution? Here how to find out the probability? Definitely that is depending on the current state and current action. Okay, so this is the meaning of model. Now we will see the actions. What are the actions we will perform? Actually here at the time of diagram we will see the representations of actions are a of s and a. What is the meaning of a here? What is the meaning of a of s? Here simply the a means set of all the possible actions. A of s means so the particular action is dependent on the particular state. Okay, so now we will see the rewards. In the reward point of view also we will see the three different types of rewards: r of s, r of s comma a, r of s comma a comma s dash. Okay, so we will see what is the meaning of r of s, what is the meaning of r of s comma a, s comma a comma s dash. Actually here the reward is a real valued reward function. So r of s indicates the reward for simply being in the state s. Here r of s comma a means here the reward is dependent on the action. Okay, that's why the reward for being in a state s and taking an action small a. In the terms of r of s comma a s dash, so here r of s comma a comma s dash indicates the reward for being in a state capital S, taking the action small a, and the expected state ending up in the state s dash. That is the meaning of reward. Here finally what is the meaning of policy? Policy means simply the solution for the Markov decision process. Actually here the policy is a mapping from s to a. So definitely depending on the states and actions, then only we will find out the solution. Here the policy is denoted by the phi. Here what is the meaning of phi and what is the meaning of phi star? Phi star means simply the policy, pi star means optimal policy. Okay, so that's why here we will assumed as two different types. Phi of s implies a, phi star of s implies a. Here phi of s implies a means simply the goal. Okay, actually it is a map that tells the optimal action for every state, but at the same time the optimal policy says that it is the optimal solution. Okay, in it here the maximize your expected reward. Here we will definitely expected the maximized reward, so that is the optimal policy. So this is the information about the Markov decision process. In the next class we will discuss with the example. Okay, until now take care. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.